Hi all, it's Karen. Long time no see. Welcome to the first of a new lot of dolallycrafts. To be honest, my membership lapsed with Stampin' Up because I've had a really rough couple of months. That's why I haven't been online. Things are starting to pick up again at the moment. Touch wood. So yeah, I'm back, and I ordered my startup kit again last week, and so I'm back with vengeance. In here is something I've been waiting for Stampin' Up to bring to Australia for ages. It's paper pumpkin. Now, I have seen the girls in the States open tons and tons of these over the last few years, but we have never had the pleasure of opening it. Don't you love their new box fillers? Okay, we'll get rid of that and that will go down. And this is the paper pumpkin, and this is the new one, the Shelley's Hugs from Shelley paper pumpkin kit. Now, as you saw, I haven't even seen inside this yet, so we're going to see inside this together from the get-go. Now, I will say while I'm on here, thank you so much to Donna, who sent me a card, and it arrived last week. It's down in the lounge room in front of my television. If I remember, before I start filming the next video, I'll actually show you the beautiful card that Donna sent me from California. I really appreciate that card, Donna. It meant a lot to me. Thank you so much. Okay, let's open up and see what we have inside. Now, I've seen a few of these online, so I do know this gorgeous stamp set, which has a number of different words in it. If I can get... I need some paper to pop behind it. I don't even know if you can pick that up as it is. You've got grateful, hello, for you, love, and dear friend, hugs, and thank you, as well as what looks like a swallow, a bunch of flowers, another swallow, and a feather, some grunge type stamps, and an ampersand. So you get, what's that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 stamps there on its own. Now, I also, in my startup kit, bought some new Stampin' Up cases, so that can go straight into a Stampin' Up case. And I hope, and I'm praying, this is not going to be the last Paper Pumpkins kit that we see here in Australia. And I've just noticed the flowers that are here are the flowers that decorate the box in a larger version. Okay, so we opened it up again, and we've got an early espresso Stampin' Spot. I've also bought some empty Stampin' Spots that I'm going to start inking up so that when I'm using my stamp position, I can use little ones. Now, all these pretty decorations, and when we open it up inside, what do we have? Okay, I'll just pop that aside for a moment. Close the box. Oh, it's like having an early Christmas present or early birthday present. Okay, so we're going to make 3, 6, 9, 12 different cards, and all of the instructions are included in here. Oh, now I know why the girls in the States get so excited for their paper pumpkin. Please, Stampin' Up, start bringing it over here, even if it's just the stamp sets, because some of the stamp sets they release in the paper pumpkin overseas are gorgeous. Okay, so we've got some little white dots in there. We've got some mini dimensionals. Oh, looks like there's a couple of wooden birds in there too. Wooden ones, metal one, little metal birds. There's 4 little metal swallows in there as well. We've got some natural twine, some pink twine, is it? Yep, some pink twine. It's really strange feel. Okay, got some gorgeous, velvet ribbon, and that looks like it's in the new peacock colour. It's probably got it written down here somewhere what's included. Here we go. Your kit includes, so we've got the Stamp and Spot, the stamp set, 12 printed card bases, 12 printed envelopes, 1 sheet of vellum die cuts, no, that's a card, that's a card base, they're both card bases. Don't throw any of these card pieces away. They make excellent signature books. Okay, I'll pop... It's not in there? No? Okay, well, we'll keep going. 1 sheet of printed die-cut elements. So one of them must be on a vellum. And one of them... I can't tell the difference. Oh no, they're the 2 sheets of foil die cut labels, so there must be something else in here somewhere. So we've got 1, 2, 3 in the, looks like crumb cake. Ah, here we go. There's another 3 in very vanilla with that flower on the front. Ah, these are the 1 sheet of printed die cut elements, which has got those pretty flowers all over it. The vellum is the duplicate of the leaf stamp there. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, wow. I really like that. And another... Sorry, you can probably hear my daughter talking down the back there. Some more card bases. And some more card bases, and that looks like it's in Pool Party. Okay, so 1.4 metres or 1.5 yards of the velvet ribbon, 4 yards of the pink thread, okay, it doesn't say what that is. Okay, that's really strange. We've got the velvet ribbon and we've got the pink thread. We've got 4 bird trinkets, 80 dimensionals and 50 adhesive dots. So those little white things in there are the adhesive dots. But it doesn't mention what this is. Obviously it's a natural thread, but it's not listed. At least it's not listed on the English version. That's really strange. Okay, well you get a free thread in there too. Okay, and then there's the cards on the front again, and then you've got all of these instructions on the inside with photos and everything to show you what you can do with it. So that's the paper pumpkin kit. Oh, and we almost forgot the envelopes. So there would be 6 of the blue ones, I'm assuming, and 6 of the pink. Yep. Yep. Okay, so they're all there. Now, my next video, I might actually put one of each of these together to show you how it's done. And we'll get some use out of that unusual thread. So I'll pop all of this away. I will be back again shortly, within the next day or so, putting together one each of these cards from the paper pumpkin. So I hope you've liked this impromptu video, and I look forward to being back with you again very soon. And as I said, I will bring on the card that Donna sent me. It is absolutely beautiful. So that's it from me for today. I'll see you later. Bye bye.